This cat is called Alphabet War. What do we have to do? Well, long story short, we get a string as an argument and we have to find out whether the left side wins, the right side, or that it is an equal fight. How do we find it out? Well, the left side has a few characters and accompanying powers, and the right side has as well. And we have to basically tally up these powers, and then we can return whether left wins, right wins, or that it is an equal fight. Well, let's go. First things first, let's make some dictionaries for the left side and for the right side as follows. Let's put in the key value pairs. W is equal to 4, P is equal to 3, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's get rid of this. Having the groundwork out of the way, we can start. For character in fight, let's print the characters and we have to find out whether they are in the left side or in the right side. As follows, so is the character in left side and is the character in the right side. That's what we have to check out. The W is in the left side. Yeah, it is worth 4 points and the Q is in the right side. So let's use these two conditions. If this condition is met, we do the following. We print the characters and we can consult our left side dictionary as follows with the .get method, and we want to extract the value from the key. So we put in the key, which is the character, the W in this case, and that will return 4. For the right side, we do the same. So let's print the character and consult the right side dictionary. So yeah, the W is 4 and the Q is 3. Hence, the left side will win, and then we have to return the left side wins. Or what is it? Yeah, the left side wins. So what we have to do is to create 2 new variables. Left side result, for example, it starts with 0. For the right side, we do the same. Right side result is 0. And every time we encounter a character in one of the dictionaries, we add them up to the result with plus equals. And we do the same for the right side. Let's return them alongside each other. Should be 4 and 3. Yeah. What we have to do is to return left side wins. If the left side result is more than the right side result, there we have a problem. Let's have a look. Expected else after if statement. Okay, else. Let's fight again. It's fine, it's fine. Left side wins, okay. Then we have another case where the right side wins. Oh, this one. Then this variable, right side result, would be more than left side result. So what we can do is the following. With the backslash, we can go on to the next line. Else, we return right side wins if the right side result is more than the left side result. There we go, right side wins. Is there a draw something? Let's fight again. Is this one? Let's fight again. Well, that seems to work out. Let's test it out in the interpreter. And there we go. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.